Hi everybody. In order to get the full benefit of the Senior College website, including the new discussion forum, you need to log in. In order to log in, you need to be registered. So you register once, and then after that, whenever you want to use the website, you just log in. Just as getting out of bed in the morning is not usually dangerous, registering on the website is not a security risk. To register, you need an email address, so have that ready before continuing with these instructions. If you have an internet connection, the phone company or cable company that provided the connection also provided you an email address. You may have other email addresses. Use any one you like. If knowing your email address causes you a problem, you can call us at 621-3551 and we'll call you back to give you a hand with your email address. Let's get started. Go to umasc.org. That's umasc.org. I'm using an older version of the website, so it may not look exactly as yours does, but it works exactly the same. Let's take the yellow outlined cursor, moved by our mouse up into the upper right-hand corner, and click on Sign In, Join. The login box opens up. Login is simple. I'm Shelly. My login is Shelly, so I type Shelly, my password, and click Login. It says that I had a successful login, and now I'm logged in. The problem is you may not know your login, and you may not have one. So let's go back, do this again, and this time we'll create a login. We go up to the same corner. Now it says log out because I'm logged in. So I'm going to log myself out. I click. Now it says sign in, join like it did before. I'm going to click sign in, join. It gives me the same box, but this time I go to the bottom where it says sign up. You'll notice to the left of sign up it says not a member. This means member of the website, not member of Senior College. Just wanted to clarify that. So before we can log in, we have to sign up. Let's do that. Click on sign up. Okay, here we are at the create an account box. Here we will be asked for our name. Typically I would use Shelly, but since Shelly's already in the system, I can't use it again. So I'll just use John. But John's a relatively common name compared to Shelly, so I'll use my last name also. There's no reason to be anonymous at a Senior College discussion. Of course, if you've got a nickname that everyone knows you by, use that. Next is our email. Again, as before, if you need any help with an email, just give us a call at 621-3551. My email is going to be john@joyinc.com. Next comes the password. Typically, you'd want to use 8 or more characters, mixing in upper and lower case, some numbers, and symbols. When registering using this box, the one you get to by clicking up in this corner, any password you type in will be accepted. That's not the case with other registration locations on the website. So to follow these instructions and make it simple, use this box. Now I have to type in my password. And again, exactly the same. Now when I click register, I will be registered, unless I made a mistake someplace. Email address already taken. That's the kind of mistake. They'll tell you what it is. So I'm going to change my email address to something from John to John 1 and try again. Registration complete. Great. And we're logged in.